Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, today we will learn how to design and simulate circuit in the LT Spice. So let's start. So this is LT Spice icon. Click here, double click, and you will get the LT Spice. And then go to File and open new page, a new schematic. You open, and then here is the toolbar where you will get the some shortcut key like it is new schematic, it is open new design, it is save, it is control panel, it is run simulate. How to run after the circuit design, you can press it and it will simulate. Simulation will start, and it is halt. This is zoom in, and this is pan, and this is zoom out, and this is to display the all design in one page, in one window. And this is pick visible trace, uh, to visible the trace this is. And this auto range, I did not use this. And there is no need of these also, just to arrange the window. If you have opened the 3 4 schematic together, so it will show the all pages in this form and this form also. And this is cut option. If you want to delete any design track and the component, you can select this and press it and click it. And this is copy, and this is paste. There is a no require to use the paste. Only by copy you can copy and paste also, I will tell you. And this is to search the component. If you want to search any R1 R2 C1 C2 component, so click here, and here window will open, search window, and you can search the component. It will highlight also, it will highlight in the yellow color. And this is print and print setup option, if you want to print your design. And this is track wire, like this you can track. And you can delete this track also by, I will tell you making circuit. Just I am just giving you the demo first. And this is ground, you can take the ground like this, okay. And this is resistance, you can take the resistance. And if you want to move the resistance, this is vertically. If you want to move horizontally, then control plus R, you can rotate it, okay. Then this is capacitor, you can take the capacitor, and same you can rotate, control plus R. And this is inductor. There is a shortcut key for these component also, like resistance. You can press R and resistance will come if you press R. For capacitor, you press C, capacitor will come. For inductor, press L, inductor will come. And for diode, press D, diode will come. And for library, you can see some shortcut key. For library, F2, if you press, then library will come. F2 not working in this. You can click here, and you can open the library, and you can choose the component. If you write res, the resistance will come. If you want diode, then write diode. If you want zener, so write zener, it will show in short form also, if you only write the Zin. And if you want MOSFET, so then write MOS, not showing. FAT, if you write FAT, okay. For this you will have to write NMOS and PMOS for MOSFET. So if you write NMOS, NMOS, then NMOS will come. If you write P N sorry PMOS, PMOS, then P MOSFET will come, and then SCR. Like this you can write down and you can select the component. Okay, for op-amp you write op-amp, so many op-amp will come. Okay, and if any particular component part number if you place, so component part number will also come in front of you if that component is available in this library. Okay, if the component is not available in library, so component will not display. Okay, so this is library and this is move. You can click here and hand will come icon, and click here, left click, and you can move the component like this. And this is drag the component. You can drag the component whole circuit. I will tell you in the circuit how to use this. And this is undo option, back option, and this is redo option. And there is no use of these, and this is text like LT Spice. Okay, if you want to change its font, then it can be changed like this. You can also change its color. Where is the color option? Color option is not in this. I changed earlier. If you want to write vertical, then it will come by default it will come horizontal, but if you want vertical, then it will come by clicking here. Okay, so I do okay it, so it come horizontal. Okay, if you want to edit it, then right click on this, so this will come, and if you want vertical, then it will set as a vertical. And if you want to delete it, then delete, select the seizure and delete. Okay, like this all component you can delete. You can delete all component together by dragging the seizure. You click and drag, left click and drag, so all component is deleted under the range of this rectangle, square, whatever it makes. Okay, so this is the basic something. Same thing you will find in the edit option. Okay, edit option and hierarchy something other option. There is a to open this symbol, something, create a new symbol. There is no need to use this because if you want to create any new symbol, then you can create like from here, but there is no need. And this is view option. In this there is a grid option, and yeah, grid option, and zoom in, zoom out, and toolbar. If you want to hide this toolbar, then you can use this. So it is just simple like a Microsoft Excel, yeah, Microsoft MS Word. It is like simple like this. And this is simulate option, same here, shortcut key here, but inside the simulate you can run also. And this is a control panel, and if you want to edit the control panel, this is here. Okay, and this is tool. There is nothing so much in this also. Only control panel is main in this also. You can click here and you can change the parameters of the circuit, something like this. So if you designing the something high level circuit, then you need for this, but for simple circuit there is no need. And window, you can arrange the window vertically, you can arrange the horizontally, vertically, and cascade and close everything. There is option, and this is some helping and shortcut key you can find here about the software. So now we design any circuit, simple circuit. So first we take the resistance and we rotate it by control R. Okay, Then we change the then we take one diode, sorry, diode, we take diode. Okay, then we take a inductor we can take a control R. Then we take a voltage source. So how we will find the voltage source? Go to in library, click here and write here wall ही लिखोगे. If you write wall, then voltage source voltage will come. So okay here and put it here. So now I will teach you how to set the value of voltage source. So first we learn how to track, how to routing in this design. So first something we move the component. So click here and you will get one hand icon and move the component individual. This is for individual. I will tell you how to move the component with track. So now we take the track and routing we start. We can route the together also, like do like this. If you do, okay, so you will route like this, but individual also you can route. I tell you individual also. What is the individual? Single track you can route. Like first you come here, then click here, then click here, then come here and come here and click here, then come here. Like this you can also route. If you want to save your time, then you can start from here, come here, come here, come here, automatically it will connect. Okay, so now we learn how to set the voltage source value. So come here and come take the cursor here and it will show the hand icon and right click. So it will show this window and you have to set the value here, how much value you want to keep, 5 volt or 10 volt, whatever you want. Here is the series resistance. If you need, then you can put, otherwise there is a no need, but if you want, then keep the 0.001 series resistance like this. Okay, so it will set 5 volt and this is the series resistance. If you want to change, this is DC source. If you want to change its in the sine wave or other pulse, so right click on this and go to advanced. So here is the option. So none means it will set on DC, 5 volt DC it will set. If you want to set it on pulse, so you have to click, you have to select here and you have to then put the parameters of this, like V initial voltage. Initial voltage means from how much voltage you want to start, from 0 to 5 volt or something, whatever. So here you can put 0, 0, 0. Then V on voltage 5 volt we can keep. Then delay. What is the delay? Delay means after turn on the simulation, after turn on the switch, after how much time you want the power supply up. So this is the delay. Like after turn on the switch, you want the power on after 1 second. So here you can put the time, 1 second, 2 second, whatever, 1 millisecond, whatever. So if the T rise time, what is should be the rise time, power supply rise time, and fall time, and T on. T on का मतलब हो गया, what is the meaning of T on? T on meaning if you want 1 second on, okay, and then here is the total period. Total period means duty cycle. What is the total period of this? Suppose if you want to pulse it 1 second on, so and 1 second off, then you will have to put the period 2 second. So it will take the automatically 2 second off period. Okay, 1 second on period and 1 second off period. If you put here 5 second, 5, So what will it do? It will take the on time 1 second and it will off 5 second. Okay, so it is like this. How much cycle you required? 1000, yeah, how much cycle you required? So you can write here 1000, 110, something like this. I will make the separate video on this how to use the voltage source, but as a general I told you. So here you can select the sine wave. Here this is the pulse and this is sine wave, and here is the some advanced level simulation voltage source you can use, but I didn't use this because there is no requirement of this. So I will tell you later about this. I am just telling you the basic to simulate the basic circuit, but there is no so much requirement of these tools. Only square wave and square wave, pulse generator, sine wave and DC source you must require to simulate in mostly circuit. Okay, so I set it on the DC source, and okay here, so it's set. Now we set the value of component. So how to set the value of component? Bring the cursor on the component and right click now. So you will get here. So you can put here resistance value 1k, yeah, 10k, 100k, 1 ohm, 10 ohm, whatever you want. Tolerance you can put 1, and wattage you can put 0.25, whatever you want. It is not so much mandatory. Yeah, it is mandatory. If you design the high current circuit, then it is required, but simple circuit I just put 1/4 watt. Okay, so like this you will get the value here. Okay, if you want to change the value, so again you go to right click and you will get this window and select register. So from here you can get the another value of resistance. Okay, so I select it, so it will change like this. Now same thing is diode. Right click on diode, and there is no option in this simulation tool regarding diode, but you can select the diode, another diode, by clicking it here. If you select the simple this diode, so this diode doesn't have any parameters. You will have to set the parameter. You will have to select the part number diode. How to select part number I tell you. Right click. Okay, go to pick new diode. So there is so many diode here. Okay, here also Zener diode, Schottky diode, LED. You will get everything. It is just symbol for diode. Inside this there is so many components, whatever you want. So you can select the LED, Schottky diode, and Zener diode you can select from here. So many Zener diode, and this is simple diode, and these are the part number, which part number you want to select. Okay, so you can see here, from here you can select different value Zener diode also. Here you can see here different value Zener diode you can select. So I select Zener diode 9 volt. So it is part number, it will show also in the design, and this is it breakdown voltage, or manufacturer is the ROM. So okay here, so it will show the Zener diode and part number. Same the LED inductor. Right click here, you can set the inductor value here, Henry. Just if you want to want it micro Henry, so just write 1 micro, it is enough. Henry automatically it take, and if you want 1 Henry, then only write down 1. Okay, if you want milli Henry, just write down M, 1 M, 1 milli Henry. And here you can select the current, how much you want current. So if you write down here 1 only, so it will 1 ampere. If you want to write down 1 microampere, 1 mu, so it will microampere. And if you write here M, so it will 1 milliampere. Same is DC resistance, ohm. This is in ohm. So if you 2, then it is 2 ohm. Yeah, if you write 2 amp, so it is 2 milliohm. And if you write mega ohm, so it will mega ohm. So it is not in mega. You will have to change the if you want to write the 2 mega ohm resistance, then you will have to put the 60 to make it 2 mega ohm. Okay. And parallel resistance, series resistance, parallel resistance you can keep same, and parallel capacitance you also keep how much whatever the component you are selecting. So better is you can make the inductor from your side here, but if you want to select new inductor with part number, then go to here and select the inductor with the part number. So here is the Henry, micro Henry. Okay. Here is the manufacturer, here is the part number, and here is the TPK series resistance. Like this you can select. If you have any part number, you can search here that part number. So inductor is used like this. Now we go to simulation. So we just put it like this. It will work as a simple diode, no problem. So you can save it before the simulation. Go to file and save as. You can make the file of this. Otherwise it can simulate like this. So press here simulate. It will show one error. I will show that error and why it is showing that error. So first it is showing the added simulation command. So it is require only transient should be here, and here it is asking how much, up to how much time you want to simulate, 10 millisecond, 1 second, yeah, 1 minute. So you will have to put the time here. So I put here 10 millisecond. 10 millisecond you will have to write here ms, because here is the not second. Then time to start saving data, it is not required. These data is not required. You just write down here. I will show what is the effect of this. Okay, here is the AC analysis. If you want to do AC analysis, then you can do. I will let you later. DC sweep, noise, DC transfer. So most commonly used is transient. Okay, most common. 90% circuit you need transient. Okay, so we do okay here. So it is showing one error. So this circuit does not have the conduction path to ground. So we forget to put here ground. So we have to put here one ground. Then it will work. So go to here symbol and put ground here. So we put ground here. Okay, now we simulate, then it will be simulate. Missing inductance value. Okay, we did not select the any inductance, and we did not put the inductor value also. So we generally select one inductor, no problem. We select this 10 microhenry. Okay, okay kiya. We did okay, 10 microhenry. Then we press run again. So it is simulated. So now this is simulation window. Now you can check the voltage here. If you put here probe, if you bring the cursor here, so one symbol will come like this. So this symbol is indicate you can measure the voltage at this point. So we click here, left click here, so it will show the voltage. Our voltage source is 5 volt, so it is showing the 5 volt. Okay, same you can volt the measure here. Okay, like this. It is showing the voltage here 730 millivolt here, diode voltage drop. Okay, you can also, here is the ground, so it will not show the voltage here. Sorry, we put the ground wrongly. We should have put after the inductor, but there is no problem. But we skip the inductor. So I put here. Okay, again simulate. So if you want the voltage here, so it will also make show the voltage here, very less drop in the inductor, as you know the inductor working. Okay, now if we want to measure the current in any component, then bring the cursor on the component, so this type of symbol will come, and left click here. So it will show the current here. If you click again here, so it will show the its current in the individual. Okay, if you click double click, then it will only current will show against this. Same thing here, if you left click here, so it will show the current. Okay, it is also showing its current. Same here. Okay, so like this you can measure the current and voltage. Now the other parameters, other things what we can do. Okay, so if you want to arrange this in the, this is horizontal form, this and this. If you want to arrange in the vertical form, then you can go to window and click on vertically, so it will arrange like this. Okay, again you go to in window and click on tile horizontally, so it will show like this. Okay, and again now we can close it. We will learn something more in the design. We did simulation. Okay, I forgot one thing to tell you. Go to simulation again. So I put the simulation how long we want to run the simulation. So it is 10 millisecond. I put that value. So if you put here 1 second in here, edit command here. Okay, so it will show 1 second. If you want to check up to 1 second, so it will show, you will have to resimulate, then it will come in up to 1 second. Okay, up to 1 second it will show how much changing, yeah, how much there is a voltage. It will run up to 1 second, circuit will run up to 1 second. Okay, now if you want to edit again, then go to simulate and edit the timing. Okay, and another option like this, if we want to see this more accurately, up to the point, up to the dot point, so you can left click here and drag, then left click here, again drag, left click here and drag, so it will show in more accurately. So it is not a 1.2 milliampere, it is more than 1.2 milliampere, you can see here. Okay, like this you can do. So this is the main simulation you require to simulate any circuit. Now I tell you something, some more command, like it is simulation, it is control panel, it is save, and it is halt. You can stop the simulation by pressing this, and this is zoom in, like zoom in, and this is zoom out to make this small, and this is to fit the circuit at display window, like this it will be fit on this. If like this, if your circuit is like this, so press here this, it will fit the circuit on the window. And this is also simulate, you can do like this. Okay, and this, what is the use of this? There is a not so much to use of this. And this is, if there is a 1 2 3 circuit open, then it will arrange the circuit like this, or pages window, like this and like this. Okay, it will arrange like this. And this is cut option, you can cut, and this is undo, and you can cut a whole circuit together by clicking and drag the seizure and leave it here, and all the circuit will delete. Okay, and redo, undo, you can get the circuit again. And this is copy option. By copy, you can make the another copy of the circuit, like right click and drag, so you will get the another and click here. Like if you want to copy this circuit here also, click here. Oh, you have to select again, then like this. Okay, and then this is paste. There is no need so much paste option, and I will tell you this later, because one window open here and it covers all these things. So I will tell you how to search the component. It is basically for search the component. This is copy paste, this is track. Already I told you this is component, already I told you already. And same thing I would like to tell you, the if you go to in library, and if you want to select the NMOS, okay, you select NMOS. So this is simple NMOS symbol, but you will have to select the parameters of this part number you can select. So same thing you have to do here. Bring the cursor here, and now click right click. Okay, so it is showing only NMOS, but it is not showing the parameter of this. So to select the parameters, you go to and part number, you go to pick new MOSFET. Okay, so here you can pick new MOSFET with part number. This is the part number, this is manufacturer, this is polarity, NMOS, PMOS. Mostly if you keep the NMOS, then it will show only NMOS. Here is the part number, and here is the VDS voltage, how much VDS voltage it having, and this is milliohm resistance, drain to source resistance, and this is charge of capacitance charge, and these are some all spice model of this, so you can check also these. So these are the main things. Okay, especially VDS voltage and the drain to source resistance. Okay, and polarity and manufacturer. So any particular manufacturer, if you have a manufacturer part number, then you can search here, and you can you can select here this, so it will come, and okay, and it will come on your design like this. Same thing in transistor, same thing is op-amp, you can select op-amp also. Okay, like this you can change the component parameters and other things. So I hope the main I told you. And this is tags, so you can write down here any tags. I write here LT Spice. Okay, tutorial. You can put you can write anything here, and you can change font here. I change 7, and you can change here where by default it will be kept horizontally on the circuit, but if you want to keep vertically, then click here. Okay, and it is left, if where you want to keep left right, it will help you something top bottom. Okay, there is no need for this, you can by dragging you can put anywhere, and this is there is no need too much, and there is a color option in this, but it is not showing color. Okay, let's see like this. Okay, and you will get like this. If you want to edit it, then left right click on this, and you will get the another same thing, you can edit it here. Okay, so I hope main things I told you, and you get the all things, you got the all things. And if you got the all things, please like and subscribe my video, and press the bell icon for future video. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next tutorial.